Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NXTTF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, but definitely want to get things updated here as the price pulled back quite a bit and is now sitting at some very, very important technical levels. We'll first talk about levels of resistance though, and the first key level of resistance comes about via this purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average, and that is based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, so we'll first just establish this definitely was indeed an area of support. You can see earlier on in the day that the price was, just cruising right above and right along that purple line. But when the price did fail right there, as the rule states, supports tend to act as resistance levels. So in the event there is any sort of bounce, definitely the initial and key level of resistance to keep an eye on is once more that purple line right there. So keep an eye on that from a resistance standpoint. Now, as far as supports are concerned, and this is definitely where the kind of key overall, technical event is occurring. And this by no means is some sort of like great discovery on my part. Anybody that understands charts and uses charts is, has noticed the same thing and is wondering. And that has to do with this pink line right here, which is the very famous 200-period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that from, at least if you're bullish, when the price is above that level, you want to see the price stay above it. And so far, so good. The price is finding support right there, but that's definitely a very important level that you do want to see the price stay up above. In the event the price breaks below it, next overall level of support after that would be down here at this area around $2.20. So like I said, so far so good. The price is holding above that 200 period, but if that doesn't hold, then 220 would be the next level of support. As far as if the price does get the a nice bounce off of that 200 period, then the 50 period is going to be that next and first and initial, whatever you want to call it, level of resistance. So we'll see what happens with it today, or excuse me, tomorrow and the remainder of the week, but definitely some interesting price action today on it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.